Indian politics is one of the most colorful ones in the world. It's generally detested, but at the same time, it is the lifestyle for many here. Cheating and getting cheated is a never-ending story in this politics. So you can hate it, you can love it, you can blame it, you can lament on it, but there is no running away from it, at least till you are an Indian.
इंडिया की पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में क्या राय है आपकी?
पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में तो कैमरे में तो मैं बोल नहीं सकता, वैसे तो साइड में बोल सकता हूँ.
तो साइड में ही बोल दो.
We are not interested in politics.
Politics. I'm the least bit interested in politics.
I'm absolutely not interested in politics.
Right now, I'm just looking at finding it out, like for myself. But probably it's just being selfish. But I think figuring it out for myself will probably help me better when I go out and like have to really face and practically, like I can make lots of like statements and say, oh, it's not good. But when I go out, I really don't know. So I don't think I'm like competent enough to answer such a question.
Politics, I have never thought about politics. That's actually the truth. I'm just living in this world. What I am living with what is available for me, not thinking of anything else.
मेरे ख्याल से तो मैं तो पॉलिटिक्स को बचपन से ही डर्टी गेम समझता हूँ.
तो मैं समझ रहा हूँ कि ये पॉलिटिशियन जो हैं इनको किसी मज़हब किसी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. ये बस खुद को खाना चाहते हैं, खुद के लिए जेबें भरना चाहते हैं. पता नहीं कितने पॉलिटिशियंस कश्मीर में आतंकवाद के नाम पे पैसा कमा रहे हैं. वो ये कभी नहीं चाहते कि आतंकवाद ख़त्म हो, क्योंकि अगर आतंकवाद ख़त्म होगा उनको पीछे से पैसा आना बंद हो जाएगा और वो खाएंगे क्या.
Politics is like highly jumbled. I mean, some people win like 30% of votes, and they become the government. They don't understand that 70% of people don't want them. So they just win 30%, they form a coalition, they form it. And that's not the way government is supposed to be.
Politics has become valueless. Political parties are no longer what they were. You say, look at the communists who are in power in Bengal. They are taking away the agricultural land and turning it over to Tata. Do you know what they are doing? They are going against the very basics of a Marxist philosophy. And the BJP is not different. And so our youth today have a problem because they can't relate to any one political party.
Politics in India. Okay. So, politics in India, I haven't voted in my life till now. I'm 28 years of age. I haven't voted till now. There may be many other reasons, but given an opportunity, I think for me, making a decision for whom I should vote is a really tough decision again. हिंदी में कहावत है, एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे. So that means that all of them belongs to same plate. So picking up one of them is really difficult from that plate. No matter which party they belongs to, they all have same intentions. That's what I have seen, I have heard.
अपने घर के पास का एरिया जो गंदा होता है, कोई कूड़ा डाल गया होता है, तो अगर साफ़ करना हो तो हमें खुद को ही साफ़ करना पड़ता है. लोगों को कोशिश करनी चाहिए, लोगों को आगे आना चाहिए. पार्टियों को साइड में रख के कौन अच्छा नेतृत्व कर रहा है, वहाँ पे जो लोकल असेंबली हो या कुछ भी हो, तो वहाँ किसको वोट देना चाहिए, वो उनको डिसाइड करना है.
Right to vote, if you look at this historical struggle behind gaining that right, getting that right, having masses say in the affairs of the nation and the affairs of the system, it has a huge contribution by many generations, many societies, something like that. So we need to realize that this is something gift by our predecessors. So we need to use it, and that is where it begins. People say that they are not political, but it's difficult. The very fact that we follow the rules, the very fact that we pay our taxes, it's also a political act. And we cannot think of a life which is apart from politics as such. Not necessary that politics ought to be considered in a wrong way, It can be good also. The question is whether we want to be a part of the good politics or not.
People have become much more serious about their careers and lives, and they don't spend their lives doing these things, the improvements and all. They are much more interested in doing pursuing their careers and all that.
As a youth, what youth mind is, they want to earn money, they want to get a job, settle in life. That's the thing. They don't want to do anything for the country. That is the one minus point.
I don't see our politics, our political scenario in our country to be such an interesting scenario that you would like to delve into. I personally don't like it so much, and I don't like the corruption and all that, which is a very standard view of most people now. There is a lot of corruption, there is a lot of mismanagement.
मेरा मानना है कि पॉलिटिक्स में स्टूडेंट्स को और खासकर जो हम जैसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको हिस्सा लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि इट इज़ द यूथ एंड इट इज़ द अवेकनिंग यूथ विच वी कंसिडर आवरसेल्व्स कि अगर हम जाएंगे तो फिर वहाँ भी सिस्टम बहुत बदलेगा।
IIM का ही एग्जांपल ले लीजिए। अभी 2 साल पहले वहाँ से कुछ स्टूडेंट पास आउट हुए थे 3-4 लोग, तो उन्होंने ना कोई जॉब ज्वाइन की ना कोई कंपनी, उन्होंने पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन की। साउथ के अंदर शायद तमिलनाडु कौन सी स्टेट में खुद की अपनी अलग पार्टी बनाई और उन्होंने कहा भाई हम सोशल वर्क करेंगे। भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं, उन्हें कोई काफ़ी बड़ी जॉब भी ऑफर हुई, सारी उन्होंने ठुकरा दी।
5 IIT students who formed a party and they stood for the previous election. They stood in Chennai. They didn't win any constituency, but then they got significant amount of votes. I mean, considering being students, I mean, just passed out of IITians and first time appearing, they got significant amount of votes over there.
पॉलिटिक्स ही आपके देश का मतलब आधारशिला है, जिससे आप आगे जाओगे, आप अपनी कंट्री को लीड करोगे। तो पॉलिटिक्स बहुत ही ज़रूरी चीज़ है। या मैं तो यहाँ तक कहूँगा कि जो अच्छे फील्ड के लोग हैं, आप साइंटिस्ट हो, आप फिल्म मेकर हो, अथवा आप बहुत बड़े इकोनॉमिस्ट हो, आपको इलेक्शन लड़ना चाहिए, ठीक है, और आपको पॉलिटिक्स में आना चाहिए, ताकि संसद में जाने के बाद आप यदि फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर हो रहे हैं अथवा आप एक्सटर्नल अफेयर मिनिस्टर हो रहे हैं, तो आपको उस बारे में काफ़ी नॉलेज होने वाला एक बंदा वहाँ ये हो जाता है, तो मेरे हिसाब से वो कंट्री बहुत आगे जाएगी।
The present situation of politics is because the middle class has somehow refrained from entering politics. So it has now gone to a level, rather bluntly I would say, to the unemployed, to the uneducated. Because the middle class, who is the upcoming youth, that has somehow refrained from entering politics.
I want to make a real contribution. I want to be a good part of the system. In every system there is a bad force and the good force, and I want to represent that, the good force. And to run this country is not a joke. It's a country with so much of diversity and all that. And it's only people with good intentions, they make a difference to a system, and it is necessary that we still have such people. We need such people. I have met people in my life, I have seen people in bureaucracy also, in politics also. There are people who are exceptionals, and it is because of such exceptionals only this country is still running. We don't see them, we don't get to know them, but they are the people who do the real work.
I think Indian politics is good. It's representative, it's reflective of what's happening in the country today. It's not something that's separated from the reality of the country. And I think it's sad that most people think politics is a dirty thing, that politics is something they don't want to meddle with. But I'm pretty happy. I think we have one of the most vibrant democracies in the world. It's mad, it's violent, it's casteist, it's everything. But that's what India is. So.
It was a pleasant surprise to us when we learned that a large section of youth today wanted to actively take part in politics and change the system for the better. Maybe after a long time, Indian youth dreams of building a strong nation. The dream last seen in the post-independent era.